What is up, guys? Today we're gonna play some Far Cry 4. This is my first video doing a voice. With a voice, but you have been hurting me on the live streams. But I want to play some Far Cry for y'all. Oh yeah, let's start to 15 likes in this video, right? Thank you guys. I appreciate it. So this is supposed to be like a secret ending on Far Cry 4. I'll show up into the cutscenes.
मैंने शंग्रीला के अतीत और भविष्य का वजन महसूस किया। एक अचित्रित भविष्य अभी तक।
Holy shit, that's a fucking big ass bird, bro. Hell no, I'm not gonna defeat that shit, bro. Oh hell no. Alright, focus, alright, focus. That's a big ass bird. Hell no, cuz. Oh, dope. Ooh. That's one right there. Oh, he closed his fucking mouth. What a dick. Right there, bro. Damn. Get his ass, boy. Look at that, bro. Nigga's big as fuck. Is he a metal nigga? What the fuck? The size of that nigga, bro. I don't know why I keep saying this shit. I don't know why it's kinda fucked up. I don't know why I'm getting stupid about this shit. Yeah, I'm gonna die, bro. Like, that's too many for one guy, bro. I don't think I will make it, dude. Son of a bitch. Oh, bro. Damn, bro. That's fucked up. Feeling like that. Yeah. A big ass shadow for that big ass fucking bird. That looks dope. Ah, bro, I'm gonna die. Damn, bro, he's weak. Damn, bro, he's big, bro. die, bro. Alright. Nah, bro, I wanna waste my fucking bow. Or arrows, whatever it's called, bro. The bow with its string, right? Ah, bro, I'm gonna die, bro. If I die, I swear. I'm gonna be pissed as fuck. It's kinda dope how he does it like the ring. But still, it's cool. Easy hit. Yes, bro. Get on with this fucking bird, bro. Already, it's human. Just the fuck up. Oh, he closed the fucking mouth, bro. It's fucking bullshit. Yep, he did. Damn! Sorry guys, I was young. But this guy, bro, it's fucking like... It's supposed to be like fucking juggernauts and shit. Damn! What the fuck happened? Kinda got surprised, but what the hell happened, bro? The sound of the fireball. Too much fucking fire in this game, bro. It's dope. Damn. I'm gonna die, bro. I swear to God. Yeah, this guy hasn't fucking died yet, bro. Oh, come on, still? How many fucking lives does this nigga have? You know we no mommy? Alright. So this is the fucking end, bro.
शेर जानता था कि चक्र पूरा किया जाना चाहिए। मुझसे अक्सर पूछा जाता है, कालिदा, तुम शंग्रीला क्यों छोड़ोगे? लेकिन सच तो यही है कि मैंने कभी नहीं छोड़ा। खुद से हटकर किसी चीज में विश्वास करने के लिए यही असली स्वर्ग है। शंग्रीला मुझ में है, आप में है। अरे ओ प्रिय चित्रकार, क्या ये आपकी टांकी के लिए काफी है?
Damn. It's stupid, but fuck it, it's dope. It's stupid, but at the same time it's dope, but yeah, guys. Alright then, we finished that. Oh, we finished all the posters and shit. because that was the ending of the mystery bird thingy, or Shinla, some shit like that. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Bye guys.